now, cruising koozie. I'm just doing a quick how to remove the sound tube on your S197 Coyote. It's super easy, and the kit's like $13. I'll put a link in the description. This is gonna be a really quick video, but I'm doing the sound tube delete. I already ripped it out over here. You literally just grab this tube and you pull it right out from the firewall right there. I believe this is a 10 mil. I just grabbed one to test it. Yeah, it's a 10 mil. And mine's set to tighten. I'll loosen this little bracket right above it. It's still a little too stiff to do by hand, but fuck it. God damn. Set this guy over here. And this guy should, come right out. Put that over to the side. Now I need some pliers. So I'm not really gonna be able to film this too easy, but you just squeeze this bad boy. Yeah, see, I'm gonna have to set the camera down, but you squeeze these bad boys, pull this off. Yeah, once you squeeze those and pull it off, and just pull this whole guy out. I got a strut tower, so it's a little bit more difficult for me than you. And this kit will clamp right on. I'm just gonna pull this guy out because we don't need him anymore. So the kit comes with this cap, this clamp, and this to cover the hole in the firewall over there. You can actually see it right there. So you just want to slide this bad boy over here. Get this clamp. I have to go get a flathead to tighten this, so I'll come back to that in a second. But this cap, you come right over here to where the hole you took out was, and sorry, my hand's in the way. You just push that bad boy in to seal that off so you don't get any dust. And it'll reduce a little bit of noise coming into the cabin. But for this, just make sure it's all the way up. I gotta go grab a flathead. This angle most likely sucks. Can't really see it so bright out, but once you tighten this guy up, you're pretty much done. There's nothing else to it. Don't put it too close to the edge, just so it actually has a good bite around the pipe. You can do this on a stock intake or an aftermarket intake. Some aftermarket intakes already have this deleted, and you're gonna still have to buy the kit to at least cap off the firewall. But yeah, just like that. She's good. She's on tight. She's not going anywhere. The firewall's capped. That's there. You can throw that away, throw it in storage, whatever. We really just need a 10 mil, some type of channel locks or vice grips or anything to squeeze that clamp, and a flathead, or I believe that's like a 6 or 7 mil. I use a flathead because it's easier. And that's it. I also did a badge surround blackout, but I don't really film it because it's super self-explanatory. You literally just wipe it off with alcohol rag, stick some 3M on it, or it comes with 3M, and you just stick it to the trunk and you're done. It took me literally 3 minutes to do it. Like, both of these packages just came in the mail, what, 20 minutes ago? And I finished both of them already. Probably the easiest things you could do to your S197. And in my opinion, the sound tube delete is crucial, just because everyone's gonna run a loud ass exhaust on their S197. You don't need extra intake noise coming in. And if anything, if it's anything similar to how the BMW intakes are, that counts as a sound baffle and quiets down your exhaust or your intake noises. So that'll be all. Thanks for watching.